Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sorkar jela ubadeiru jong ke United Democratic Party ubak lakmen rumbui ulat Ther yo Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ubak Vincent Pala halor ke Kynnoh Bamsap jong ya ke Sorkar MDA kenthop ya ke UDP bat ulong bauni unong yalam ke Kongres udai ban khmi bahaswa ya ladie baki phedlot kinong yalam tang Maria Shemti mau kumu Presiden Henry mentau la sedang menkeno lut ya baro bat katman kita nak trekam jong ke Sorkar. Ubak rembui ulong balada ubak pala udai nong yalam basisha udai ban pen ishe ki patba e ki matre kam ki baka kongres kadan menterwa nadu usnam arajar arpulai shaneng henry ba unshu keno ya baro ki dei ki Bamsap badia baro kita nak trekam ke Sorkar kolong ke ke bamla satya ban priang ubak rembui ulong ba ubak pala syukran ke jingkran ke ba dan jingmut bat persyang ban pen iya la dia ba ulong ubalui-lui.
I think the MPCC president has crossed the limit of decency because he should understand that as the president of party, he should introspect why everybody is leaving him. And now he is starting allege everybody. This is not the way. If he is really a real politician, he should spell out what is the policy of the Congress government from this 2003 onwards. But from a senior politician like him, a three-term MP, to term everybody as corrupt, every department is corrupt, it is totally unacceptable. So I just want to say only one word, that I have a respect for him, I respect for his politics, but to come from his mouth that this type of allegation, so it is again unacceptable. So I must conclude by saying that Vincent speak nonsense and acting innocent.
Haba kali ke dan banong namar ubak palau la penbena baka Kongres kan sa chart sheet ni pengat ya ke Sorkar MDA ha ke Kynnoh namar ki kambam dei jongka ubak remboi ulong ba presiden ke MPCC mentau la persyang menong nong mudui u abisar nong toket nong pengat ya ki wei ha ke Kynnoh batru kemunong bishar namar kata ubak remboi ulong ba ai baki pat ba kin bishar ya kani
MPCC president, as I said before, that now he tried to become the petitioner, the investigating officer, the prosecutor, and the judge. So let the people judge. Thank you.